Welcome to the Smarter Money Life, powered by Forum Credit Union, where we dive into the world of smart financial decisions that can help you take control of your money to live a more fulfilling life. Whether you're looking to save more, invest wisely, or simply manage your finances better, we've got you covered. Our organizational purpose is to help you live your financial dreams. So sit back and let's get started on your journey to financial success. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Smarter Money Life. I'm Andy Mattingly, and today we're diving into a topic that can make a huge difference for your financial well-being next year. And that's thinking about next year's big expenses and planning for them now. It could be that dream vacation, home repairs, tuition to go back to school, or for your kids, or even a wedding. Planning ahead is the key to a stress-free financial year. So let's start with step one. Identify your upcoming major expenses. Now, take a few minutes to list out any big costs you can expect in the next year, or maybe even two. This could be anything from a family trip to a new car or even home renovation. Sometimes it's smart to look even 2 to 5 years ahead for those life-changing expenses so you have more time to prepare for them and to save for them if you're going to need to save money for them. Now next, estimate how much each expense will be. Now do your research and be realistic. You don't want to forget to add in a buffer for unexpected cost or for inflation. And it's always better to overestimate than to be caught off guard. Now you've identified, hopefully only 3 or 4 major expenses that you have coming up that you don't have the savings for. Set up a dedicated savings account for each one of those. Keeping these funds separate helps you track your progress, makes it less tempting to dip into them for other needs, and also is a strong reinforcement to keep building because you know exactly what you're saving for. The next thing is automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from wherever you get your paycheck deposited into these accounts. Because remember, even small regular contributions can add up over time and make those big expenses much more manageable when they come up. Now, the next thing to do is review your monthly budget because you might need to start saving a little bit more, so you need to look where you can cut back and redirect those savings to your big expenses. And it's just a little adjustments all along, and they really will make a big difference. For very large expenses like a home or a car, start exploring your financing options early. Look at payment plans and compare interest rates and terms to find the best fit for your situation. And if you're working with a strong lender, they're going to help you put you in the right loan that fits your budget. Now, you might need to look for ways to boost your income. Maybe it's a side gig. Maybe it's selling unused items or even negotiating a raise. Maybe it's something that you do that you can monetize. Every extra dollar can help you reach your savings goals faster. Now, check in on your savings goal every month. If you're falling behind or your estimates change, adjust your plan. Staying flexible is really key. And finally, always maintain an emergency fund. Typically, try to get to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This way, you won't have to dip into your big expense savings if surprises come up. And as anything with life, those surprises do come up, so you don't want it to derail everything that you've done to plan. So you've got to also plan for the unexpected. Remember, a great financial year starts with a solid plan. Thanks for joining us on Smarter Money Life. I hope you found today's tips and insights useful. Remember, smart financial decisions can lead to a brighter, more secure future. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, keep striving for financial success and living your best life.